Well, good evening, Williams, Philippines. It is 11:14, uh, January 5th, 2025. This is going to be a short one. Uh, yeah. Went and got the visa done today. Yay. Uh, got that took care of. Got my laundry in. Went over, had lunch. Got back here, took a nap. Woke up hungry. Uh, went and had pizza. It's actually decent pizza. I've had worse. So, a lot worse, actually. But yeah, between having lunch, and pizza, I think somewhere around, let's see, pizza was 300, 300 pesos, so $6, 6, $7, something like that. Lunch was less than, well, a little over three, around three and a half. Yeah, plenty of it. Uh, but at least now I got the number for the pizza place. Good. And they do a decent job for pizza, so yay. And I've got the receipt and it's got the menu on it, so yay. Uh, oh, hey, X alert for, yeah, the XE rate is 59 pesos. Woohoo! It's up today. I swapped out some money today, so yay. If it keeps up, I'm going to try to do some more every bit I can over the next few days. I'm not bashful. I'll put my money into the peso when it's high, especially, and sit on it until it goes down and I can spend high dollars on the lower value or lower prices so I can, yeah, not have to start paying, yeah, more for the peso. Yeah. Anyway, uh, tired. I'm ready to get some sleep. Oh, it was a longer visit at the visa office today. Apparently, 6 months, going into 8 months, is when they check on you. So, yay. That's okay, though. Got a bit of a headache today. Actually, it's not so much a headache as it's think my, I think my neck needs to pop. It's not wanting to cooperate. So I have a tension thing going on. It is what it is. I hope you all have had a blessed day. Good Lord. I'm late. I should already be in bed. Yeah. Got a few, like I say, got a few things taken care of today. Picked up some money, got my visa, had pizza, had lunch, talked with friends, was watching a video about uh, supposedly some changes coming in the visas for the Philippines. So, yay. We'll find out what that is. I don't know. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this one wrapped up because I'm tired. Got a headache. Yeah. Oh, got my laundry in too. Got to pick that up in the morning. And after I get that picked up, I'm not sure. I think I'm heading over and gonna try to get that bike tomorrow. I rent one. One of the three or maybe four different types that I like. We'll see. But yeah, gotta try to find some place I can rent a bike. Yay! And try and tool around a few places. Oh shit! Told you I'm tired. Anyway, it's gonna be an interesting week. Like I say, try to get out into traffic and ride. It's been a while since I've been on a motorcycle. I've got, I don't know, 3 hours, 4 hours of riding last year about this time. And yeah, well, a little later than this time, but yeah. So in the last year, I've got 3 or 4 hours worth of riding. Doesn't give me a lot of practice. So I would really like to head out away from downtown Cebu. Yeah, I'm not much on the idea of yeah, trying to run around on a motorcycle here to start off with, right here in Cebu City. A lot of traffic here. But rent one here and head out. Uh, but we'll see. Uh, I think there's a big chance of rain tomorrow. We'll see. If it does rain, write it off as a good day to stay home and try again the next day. I don't know. Just take and enjoy and do what I do, not stress out over things, not worry about everything. Anyway, I hope you've had a real good one. This is William Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. You do you. It's your choice. Hey, if you want to stick around, yay. If you don't, yay. It's life. Live it. Do yours. I'm doing mine. I hope you have a lot of friends, a lot of food, and a lot of family, and yeah, a lot more food. I'm Fish, Williams Philippines. Fish is out. Later blessings. Bye bye.